Hello and welcome to another week of career education. This week we are exploring who am I in the context of interests. What captures your interest? When you're doing tasks that you enjoy and are interested in, you'll be happier and more successful in life. This brings us to Holland's theory, a theory developed by a man named John Holland in the 1950s that's actually still considered valid today and used throughout industries to help match people to possible careers. Careers, he feels, are determined by an interaction between our personality and the environment. We want jobs with people like us. By us, we mean people with similar interests and ways of doing things. Holland's theory centered on the idea that most people fit into a combination of 6 personality traits. Let's take a look.
On your major and career exploration journey, it is natural to gravitate toward occupations that match your interests. The Holland Code theory was developed by psychologist Dr. John Holland to help individuals align their interests with characteristics of various career fields. Dr. Holland's theory categorizes occupations into 6 different groups, often referred to as the Ryesack interest themes. Your personal Holland Code is made up of the first letter of the top 3 categories that you resonate with the most. Let's look at these 6 different areas. R stands for realistic. These are the doers. People who gravitate toward this category prefer hands-on or concrete tasks. They may like careers in athletics or the outdoors, working with plants and animals, or using machinery and tools. The investigative category is described as the thinkers. They are people who are research-oriented and analytical, who like to dive deep for information, and who are always asking why. Careers in this area may include work in science or technology, psychology, or journalism. The creators describe the artistic theme. This category certainly includes careers in the visual and performing arts, but also includes fields such as architecture and therapy. These individuals like to generate ideas and think outside of the box to solve problems. S stands for social and represents those who are helpers. The main purpose in their work is service and working with people to help them grow and develop. Teachers, police officers, counselors, and doctors are some common careers in this area. The enterprising group are the persuaders. They like working with people as well, but for the purpose of leading, guiding, and influencing them. They are often results-oriented and eager to take on challenges. Careers in this field may include management, marketing, law, and sales. Last but not least are the organizers, the conventional category. These people are data and detail-oriented and enjoy structure in their world of work. Pharmacists, librarians, accountants, and engineers are all examples of careers in this area. Of course, just as people have multiple interests, careers can fit into multiple categories. For example, a doctor aligns with both the investigative and the social areas. A librarian is in both the enterprising and the conventional areas, and a sculptor identifies with both the realistic and the artistic areas. There are numerous career fields for every 2- and 3-letter theme combination. Creating your personal Holland Code is the first step in your major and career exploration journey.
As we delve into Holland's theory, know that while there are 6 types, there are many different combinations, 720 to be exact. So here's your task for this week. You're going to log into My Blueprint and click on Who Am I from the left navigation window. Then you're going to complete the interest survey. Note, if you've done this survey in past years, you can redo it by clicking on the curved arrow to restart the survey. You likely have changed a bit if you did the survey a year or more ago. When you're done, you're going to click on Add to Portfolio and add it to your portfolio for this year. Next, you're going to obviously view your report and read it, clicking on Learn More when asked. Take note of the following you will need for your reflection: your interest type and what it means based on the paragraph written about it. What do you like to work with? 1 to 2 sentences about each of your top 3 interest traits and types of related careers. what you agree and disagree with and why, and what was especially interesting or surprising. If you're working on a phone, you might want to take note of these things on a piece of paper as you read through your report. If you're working on a computer, you could have 2 tabs open, and that would make this easier for you. Finally, you're going to open your portfolio for this year and add a reflection to your interest survey by clicking on the bottom right. In your reflection, you're going to answer the questions you were asked to take note about as you viewed your report. Okay, so here's your checklist for this week. You have to complete your interest survey, and that includes adding it to your portfolio and reading the results of it. Then you are going to add a thoughtful and detailed reflection based on the prompts that you were given in this lesson. Just a reminder that you can access these directions in the grade-wide team for your career ed course. It's orange with yellow gears on it. After you open it, you can click on Files and you will see PDFs of each week's work. That's it for me. Thank you. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you next time.